Alright guys, today I'll be showing you how to fix up the right headlight. It is an HID that switched out quite a while back, but it's on a Cadillac 2013 Cadillac ATS. So first things first, I would say pull your car in. I do it the lazy way, so pull your car in and rotate your wheels all the way to the left, depending on what side of course you're working on. We'll be trying to get pretty much right in there today. So as you can see here, it's just star point screwdriver needed. Just got 1, 2, 3, 4 that I'll be getting rid of, and I believe that should be able to open up this little wall so we can get into headlight cavity without having to remove the whole thing. As you see, we really don't have to remove this one because it's just a side housing at the bottom, so not a huge deal. There's one more up here, and it's at a weird angle, but it's alright. You can still get in there. Shit, if you're allergic, you might need a mask for this. Alright, so now, see that right here? I'm gonna go ahead and just peel back this housing right here. As long as you have all the right ones removed, if you do, you can use a pry tool or you can just come from the bottom right here. Careful, this caused quite a bit of mess here, so grab it, just peel it back. Just enough so you can get to your housing. So there we go. You can almost see it. Yeah, just enough there to see where the housing is for the light right up there. I did have to get a limiter, so that's what you see here hanging off the side here. But that's the bad boy right here we'll be changing out. So it's pretty simple. You will just grab it. Get your better view on that one. So you'll just grab it, and typically it's just a 90-degree twist. So pretty simple. Just want to be careful that you don't hit anything else on the way out. Just a little twist there of the actual bowl. Then bring the whole casing down, and there we go. So you can see this is the bulb right here. And it is for sure blown, so let's see if we can get up close to it there. Let it focus. Don't know how clear it's showing on the camera, but it's definitely blown. So now, of course, it's very important to use gloves here. So you see the whole harness. First step is just making sure we disconnect the other harness properly first. So right up in here, I'll set you guys down there. Okay. Hope you guys can see clearly there. It's pretty simple. Kind of just have to match them. So you got this piece right there. Let me make sure the camera's in view. Got this piece that comes off first. See if I can do it with one hand, but I doubt it. Two little clasps, and you grab it. I have to put it down for a second. Boom, disconnected right there. Then the second piece is just two little ones, red and black, that's attached to the limiter that I have back there. So go ahead and unplug these two. Not all cars will have that, but when you do an HID kit, sometimes it does. So some pieces start to drop out. You can see right there's the limiter, HID warehouse. And I will have to get a cable cutter now real quick. Got you guys zoomed in now. Got my cable cutter. I do it just for cable management. It makes everything just a little smoother, nicer. So there you see right there. Old housing. Try to show you again. It is for sure blown. Always want to check because it could just be a fuse or something simple. So put that one to the side here. I'll go ahead and grab the new one, right? This is very important. I would recommend you keeping this on for as long as you can, just for protection of the bulb. Then you pretty much reverse the process. Throw that down, plug it into the limiter. So this is pretty simple. It's obviously female, male, male, female, so you can't really screw that up unless you really try. Make sure they're nice and snug. Same goes for right here. Make sure the tabs are all in there. I'm sure you guys can see that. Now this all depends on your car and how you want to set it up, but I mean, last part is just tucking this bad boy in here. So goes in just like so. The bulb came out, but just in time. I would recommend, what I'm going to do is get a zip tie really quick and tie these together, because in my case, at least for my car, I like to tuck it in back there just so it still has this guard over it and nothing's got a chance of touching it. So 1 second, let me grab that zip tie. Okay, I hope you guys can see this right here, but I've got the side pieces tucked way back in there, nice and snug. Then I'm going to zip tie this portion so that only the bulb part has to go up there into the hole. Again, you just want to work clean, guys. It makes your job easier later on, prevents any dumb issues from happening. So bam, so we've got this all set up. All we gotta do is slide this back up in there. So be very careful here. Bulb comes out, brand new bulb. It's back in there. Pretty much put it in at a right angle. So you're gonna put it in pretty much like this, and then give it a quarter turn down. The opposite of however you took it out. It's gonna be different for everyone's car. In there, you just gotta feel it out. You'll feel it snap in place at some point. If I could just get it, that'd be nice. Okay, I think it's in, but the good thing to do is just shake it around a little bit, and if you can shake, then it's not in. There it is, I feel it now, and then we'll give it a nice little turn. It should be good. Bam, so you'll feel it slip in. Once you know it's in, you'll be able to feel it, guys. Just don't be lazy, play it slow. Alright guys, before we set everything back and do all the screws, we want to make sure it works. So let's go. If you can quite see, let me get the camera light on there for you guys. And we are good to go. It's back in the way it was. So now it's just a matter of getting back in here. Be good to go. So of course, before we set everything back, tucking everything pretty much back in here is what I'm about to do. Since nothing here is actually running, I will go ahead and just grasp this all back on. Hit the button in the car and see screws back on, and we're good to go. So I'll check back in just a second.